Hi friends, myself Danny. Welcome to my channel Amazing Geography. Our today's topic is penguin. If you still didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe. We will continue surprise you with new and rare geographical facts. Let's start discuss on penguin. The penguin is a flightless aquatic bird. Penguin has no wings but flippers to help to swim in water. It has black and white color with short body. They generally found in southern hemisphere where they can catch their food from water and raise their young ones on the land. They are carnivorous. They eat seafood like fish, squid, shrimp. They drink seawater. Penguins are social birds and found in groups. They can live 15 to 20 years depending on the species. Penguin spent 3/4 of his life in water. Penguin lost the ability to fly millions of years ago, but their powerful flippers and streamlined bodies make them very accomplished swimmers. They are the fastest swimming and deepest diving species of any bird. Penguins do not have any teeth. A penguin swimming style is called porpoise. Thanks for watching. Please provide your feedback and suggestion. Share this video to your friends, colleagues and families. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So far, now goodbye. Have a nice day.